Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to turn a video clip into a fun, shareable GIF, all for free right inside Canva and with absolutely no watermarks, then you're in the right place. Whether you're looking to jazz up your social media posts, spice up your presentations, or just make your friends laugh with a perfectly timed meme, by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to make a GIF from any video quickly and easily. So let's jump right in and I'll guide you through each step to make sure you get the best possible results. First up, head over to Canva's website. If you're not logged in, take a moment now. It's totally free to sign up if you don't already have an account. Starting from the Canva homepage, look for that big, inviting Create a Design button usually in the top right corner. Give it a click. This is basically your launchpad for any project in Canva. Once you're there, you'll see tons of template options, but today we want to focus on making a GIF from a video, so you'll want to select the video option. Choosing video ensures your project will have the right dimensions and editing capabilities for video files, rather than starting off with just a static image or document. Now that you're working in a fresh video canvas, it's time to add your actual video content. Over on the left side, you'll see a vertical toolbar. Click on Elements. This is your gateway to just about everything in Canva: graphics, shapes, audio, and yes, videos. In the search bar at the top of the Elements panel, type something relevant if you already have an idea in mind, like funny cat or fireworks, or simply scroll down to the Videos section to browse trending clips. Canva offers a massive library of free video assets, so there's usually something for everyone. If you have your own video file, you can use the Uploads tab instead. Just drag and drop your file in there and you're good to go. Now for the fun part, trimming your video down to the perfect GIF-worthy moment. When you've got your video on the canvas, go ahead and click it to select it. You'll notice handles along the timeline just below the canvas. These let you adjust the start and end points, which is super helpful for focusing on only the few seconds you want to capture in your GIF. Keep in mind, GIFs usually work best when they're short and sweet, usually under 5 seconds. Don't worry if it takes a couple of tries to get the timing just right. Just drag those handles back and forth and preview the result until it feels perfect. In most cases, you'll want something snappy like a reaction shot, a short animation, or a funny outtake. Once everything looks good, it's time for the magic moment: downloading your new GIF. Head up to the Share button at the top right, click it, then select Download. In the File Type dropdown, instead of leaving it as MP4 video, make sure you choose GIF. That's a crucial step. It tells Canva to turn your trimmed video clip into a looping animation, rather than a regular video file. Double-check your settings if you want to change the size or frame rate, then hit that purple Download button and wait a few seconds. Canva will process your GIF and it'll be ready to use anywhere: email, WhatsApp, Instagram, you name it. Best of all, there's no watermark, even with a free Canva account. And there you have it. Making a GIF from a video in Canva is honestly one of the quickest and most painless ways to create fun little animations. No extra apps or tricky software required. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another Canva trick you'd like to learn. Don't forget to subscribe for more bite-sized tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.